How to remove crab apples from the lawn. A crabapple tree can be a beautiful, elegant addition to your yard, until the tree becomes overwhelmed with apples and deposits them on your lawn. Bees swarm over the sweet fruit, leaving that area of your yard a danger zone. The apples need to be removed before mowing to keep from clogging up the lawnmower and spewing out bits and chunks of crabapple over the lawn. Dispose of the fruit before it rots and begins to smell. Things you'll need: leaf or garden rake, heavy-duty trash bags, garden gloves, trash can with lid. Rake the fallen crab apples into a pile, using a strong leaf or garden rake. Look beyond the circumference of the tree for apples that have rolled away after dropping. Place garden gloves on your hands. Insert one trash bag into another to reinforce. Pick up the crab apples and deposit into the bags. Watch for bees that may be feeding on the apples to avoid getting stung. Periodically lift the bag to make sure it has not become too heavy, otherwise, it may split when you lift it. Remove all the crab apples from the lawn, using multiple trash bags if necessary. Place the bags in a trash can with a lid to prevent bees from attempting to enter the trash bags. Take the trash can to the curb during your weekly trash removal, or transport it to your local recycling center. Tips: warnings. Remove crab apples every 2 to 3 days to keep bees from congregating on your lawn.